and welcome to CarpeDiemT3ch, where I help you seize the day. Today is going to be a day about scams. Now, many of you have gift cards, and you might often think like, oh, I know I have a little bit of money left in this gift card, but I'm not sure how much money I have. And so one of the convenient things that you might do is you might actually go online and search for how much money is left on my gift card, and then you enter in your gift card amount and it will tell you. That's very useful. It's a great thing, very good tool. However, there are certain sites online that are actually set up to steal that gift card balance from you. So you need to be very careful when you are going online and make sure that wherever you enter that information into, it is the site that you intend to enter it to. So, for example, you might actually Google something or use a different search engine of your choice and find that the information served up to you might actually be a scam. And this is a technique that various cyber criminals are using to have their search results shown to more people. So criminals actually also pay for advertising. And so we can see this example here where these people on Reddit actually searched for some information about a gift card, and then they found out, hey, it's actually redirecting to this other site. That's kind of interesting. So we'll take a look at some information around this and even how you can look at some details about different sites that exist out there. But one thing to just kind of be aware of, if you're checking a gift card balance, it should be for the place where that gift card is for. So like, if you're checking, this example here is for a Target gift card. If you're checking a Target gift card, it should be on Target's site that you're checking that gift card. If you're checking it through this website called Bristol Hire Van, that's going to be a very big red flag for you that something here is not correct, something is redirecting. So if we take a look at what these people found, they shared that they Googled this gift card balance to check what the balance was. Like I said, very legitimate things people often do. You can see this looks legitimate, right? Like this is what one would see. However, this is being served through this Bristol Hire Van domain. So that's going to be something to really keep an eye out. If you see this type of thing show up at the top here, it may be someone who's paid for this to show up here, but it might not be a legitimate thing. Now, if we want to see some information about who Bristol Hire Van is, you can actually go to a website whois.com, or you can use your terminal to do this, and you can see various pieces of information about where they're registered from. Bristol is a city in the United Kingdom, so you might think like, okay, it's a little bit weird that they're not registered in the UK. Different places register in different localities, but it is kind of interesting to note that. And then another website that is very useful is URL Scan.io, and we can see pieces of information about where the IP address is coming from. We can see even a visual around what it looks like without having to go there. And so once again, you would think to yourself, clearly this is not a place that is Target. So I encourage you to investigate any sort of domain, even if it is something that comes up during your Google search. Don't just click on something. Look at, where is it sending me? What is that site doing? Let me look at some of the who is information. Let me look at it under urlscan.io. let me see what else I can find out about this website, this domain. And let's see, maybe it is a scam and I should avoid entering in my information, and then that way I will avoid losing my gift card balance. So, thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe, and Carpe Diem.